Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your developer account or developer Salesforce organization. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go to the setup menu and access to our setup. After that, we need just to find and search for company, and from here we will find the company settings and we will find the company information. So from the company information you will be able to deactivate your account or your org. So from here, as you can see, you will be able to deactivate your organization. So simply we need just to click on deactivate, and from here you will need just to add uh, your name, so the organization name, which is the edu, and just add it from here, and you can deactivate your account. So as you can see, first 30 days you can change your mind during this time and reactivate the organization. After the 30 days, the organization is locked and you must contact Salesforce customer to support to reactivate it. But as you can see, after having 2 months passed, you will have your organization that will be permanently deleted and it is irretrievable. That means if you want to delete your account, just deactivate it first and then leave it for 60 days and you will have your organization that will be permanently deleted from Salesforce. So as you can see, by following this step, you will be able to successfully delete your Salesforce developer account. So thank you for watching and see you next time.